Amaviki adlule amaviki abenzima kakhulu kusibonelo Nomvalo Secretary General Umkhonto weSizwe Party ngoba i-leadership yathatha isinqumo sokuxosha uDuduzile kanye noNhlamulo eqenjini emveni kokuba kunezinto uDuduzile abekazibhala ku-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter. Nsuku zonke kwavela ama-post amaningi athi uNomvalo usebenzisana noBhekimtolo kanye uNomvalo usebenzela uBhekimtolo lo baba lo we-ANC KwaZulu Natal. Ziningi izinto ezakhulunywa sasho nathi sathi hawu lento ehlezi yenzeka kwabanye we-SG nako uNomvalo izokwenzeka ngoba isifo sakhona. Ziningi izinto ezikhulunyiwe kwathiwa ufuna you want to overthrow Jacob Zuma lapha kwi-position. Ziningi izinto ezishiwo kodwa ke kwi-media briefing yokugcina emveni kokuba upresident ayisethatha isinqumo sokubeka i-special presidential team, wayihlakaza special presidential team, wayesembuyisela amandla wakhe ukuthi no yonke umsebenzi wakhe akawenze ngokukhululeka njengosecretary general. Leli viki esisuka kula ngazi bebehlangane njengamalungu omkhonto weSizwe Party bekwenziwani, kodwa kune-message ayidlulisile usibonelo Nomvalo ebalulekile ikakhulukazi kubantu abangamalungu omkhonto weSizwe Party nabantu abawuzondayo umkhonto weSizwe Party ukuze bazi ukuthi kuqhubekalani kule nhlangano abayizondayo. Ngicela uzwe la.
I think, comrades, I must start by saying and by reminding all of you that as a party we are in a very critical moment which we must handle with care as an organization. A moment which is a route towards the local government elections. There are many answers to which we must respond. There are many questions to which we must respond as a party. And amongst questions we must respond to is a question of what is it that we want to change in the local government as the MK Party? And how does a councillor of the MK Party look like? Because the councillor of the MK Party can't be similar to a councillor of the ANC. Because we subscribe to different aims and objectives, and therefore our discipline and the manner in which we display and conduct ourselves must be unique, because that which defines our political routine, daily routine, is unique as members of the MK Party. So, a plan to take over local government is not a plan that is informed by material gains, but it's a plan that is informed by a revolutionary desire to transform local government and produce local government that will be responsive to the needs of the people. Because local government is a critical government because it is closer to the people on the ground. Every day when the people wake up, they wake up with new problems of the infrastructure that is dilapidated, of new problems of the shortage of water, of new problems of the shortage of electricity. And therefore, as the MK Party, we must be informed by the material conditions under which our people live. We must never be informed by selfish, narrow interest. We shouldn't have selfish interest of wanting to enrich ourselves before we can enrich the people to which we serve. Because it is not, the revolution is not about individuals, but the revolution is about the people. And the people are swimming in a pool of poverty. And they look towards the MK Party. Their hopes are with the MK Party that it is the only beacon of hope and it is the only alternative voice of the left that will change their material conditions. So that's what must inform our thinking at this time around, comrades. I'm happy that we have received a report from the provincial coordinator, which says there are no disputes in Limpopo. And if that is anything to go by, you must clap hands for yourselves.
Umunye umuntu uzozibuza ukuthi hawu ngokuthi nje process ihambe smooth abantu baze bagcina bekhethe kahle bangaba na inkinga yini efuneka ishayele izandla lapho emkhontweni yaqala ukwenzeka into enjalo njalo makukhethwa abantu kuhlezi kunabantu ekuthiwa kunama list bese hambe eqala kuvela izinkulumo ezithi cha kunabantu abakhethwe ngosibanibani ngoba benjani kodwa lento eyenzeke eLimpopo iyaqala. So it's a big deal kumkhonto esizophatha okusho ukuthi nezinye indawo nabanye amamember omkhonto esizophatha kwezinye indawo abafunde eLimpopo ukuthi it's all about the party ongakhethwanga akagqisha ngene eviyeni kusupportwe lo khethiwe kuphela asiqhubeke naye
Because that is a very unique experience, and I can tell you for free that in all provinces or from all provinces, it's for the first time we are receiving a report that says our processes have unfolded smoothly without any political hindrances and there are no disputes. Because in most instances, comrades, disputes are informed by ill discipline. They are informed by lack of political tolerance. They are informed by an inability of our comrades to unite behind one vision of the MK party. Our comrades become obsessed and preoccupied with positions to a point where they compromise the revolution. They only fight about positions and forget that what brings us together is a desire to fight against the white establishment, is the desire to dismantle the apartheid legacy, is a desire to service our people who have been oppressed by the so-called democratic government since 1994, which has failed to deliver to them adequately. It is not about ourselves. It is not about us becoming councillors and becoming rich overnight. It is about changing the lives of the people. And there's hope here if the report we have been given is a true reflection of what is transpiring on the ground. There is hope here that indeed there is political majority. If we have not mastered it, at least we are towards mastering it as a province of Limpopo.
Into abathi yenzeke eLimpopo ingikhumbuza ngesikhathi amaphoyisa ayeshare ama statistics for i-first quarter or i-last quarter yangonyaka ophelile. I-rate yokubulawa kwabantu yayehlile eLimpopo waze washo uProfessor Feroz Kachala wathi ubona ngisho abantu abamsene nabo kwicabinet laba abavele eLimpopo ukuthi hayi bona banokuthula badume ngokuthakatha angazi noma bayathakatha ngempela na kodwa nje into abadume ngayo yileyo kodwa ukulwa hayi angikhumbuli ngizwa kuthiwa bayalo abantu nje abanothando noma bedume ngokuthakatha angazi noma bathakatha ngempela noma bayasukelwa owaziyo angangilekelela la kuma comment ngizwe ngaye asiqhubeke.
It's very painful, comrades, that yesterday we woke up to the news that Stats SA says the unemployment rate has risen to 30% and beyond. And that means we have an administration or the government that fails to master its targets. Because in terms of the NDP says by 2030, the unemployment rate would have been reduced to 6%. Now we are in 2026. Unemployment rate sits in 30% and above. And that is inevitable because there is no desire to change our economy and to take it from the control and ownership of the white minority. We're having a jobless economy that only services a few at the expense of the majority. This is an economy that produces slaves. This is an economy that produces exploitation of the working class. This is an economy that preserves the apartheid legacy. It's an economy that fails to achieve equitable distribution of the wealth. It's an economy that is only enjoyed by a few and that continues to widen the gap between the rich and the poor. It's a very painful thing to experience because in our days, we see doctors marching for employment, something that we have never experienced. It was obvious during the olden days that a doctor, after finishing school, they will go straight to the labor market. But today, we are experiencing something which is very painful. Doctors are unemployable because we've got government which does not have innovative strategies to create jobs for Africans. As the MK Party, those are the things that we must fight against every day because unemployment means poverty. When people are unemployed, it means they've got nothing to do every day, and it means there is no source of income, and it means they can't afford to buy groceries for themselves. It means they can't afford taking their children to school.
Indaba ayithintayo yokungasebenzi kodoctor nothisha ibhlungu ngoba akusebenza abantu abadingekayo. Kungcono yazi makuthiwa sebebaningi kakhulu abantu abaqualified ukuthathwa kwabo vele bakhona bazosala. Kodwa lana odoctor bayashoda. Kuney'ndawo lapho udoctor afika khona kanye ngesonto. Ngesikhathi mina ngangena engozini yemoto, isibhedlela sonke sala Harrismith, isibhedlela sonke kwakukhona udoctor yedwa. Kwakufuneka adile nabantu laba okuthiwa bangama-emergency. Oyedwa udoctor ubusuku bonke udoctor yedwa. Adile nabantu bakuthiwa bakuma-emergency nakuma-critical conditions. Then nina abanye nizohlala lapha emabhentshini. Into abazenza nabazonijova nje kodwa nizohlala. Le nto ukuthi uphume moya ekliniki ifuna wazi ukuthi uhamba usuku lonke ngoba udoctor uyedwa. Ibhlungu le nto. Akuqasheka abantu okuyibona abadingekayo. Hey, angazi ngathini kodwa ke asiqhubeke noNomvana.
So as the MK Party, we can't sit down as if there is nothing wrong happening because the 6th administration and the 7th administration have launched an offensive onslaught against the working class and the oppressed in South Africa. The administration of Ramaphosa has done nothing except launching an onslaught against the poor masses. And we must never fold our arms as though everything is normal. If, comrades, the apartheid used education to infuse the values of apartheid in the curriculum, why can't we use education to infuse values of democracy in South Africa? Why can't we say as the MK Party, agriculture must be a compulsory subject from grade 1 to the last grade? Because we are saying we want to take the land over from the white minority. The question is, What are we going to do with that land when we have taken it over from the hands of the white minority? We must work the land to benefit all the people of South Africa. We must work the land to dismantle unemployment, poverty, and inequality. Comrade, as I am about to sit down, there is nothing that is as important as unity at this time around. We have no choice but to be united as members of the MK Party, because we are all children of Nxamalala. There is no one who has superior membership. We are all equal in the MK Party. And we must work towards achieving victory on the 4th of November, because we want the MK Party to take over all the municipalities in Limpopo. We are not going to achieve that, comrades, if we compromise unity, if we fight amongst ourselves, if we plot against each other, if we gossip about each other, if we don't respect each other. There are terms of reference which were given to all structures upon their election. Those terms of reference have programs, and they give you direction and structures, direction of what you must do every day. If you focus on the terms of reference, there is no way you can fight amongst yourselves, because you know organizational responsibilities that you must execute as the leadership and the membership of the organization. But if you choose to ignore organizational principles and organizational work and focus on factional activities, there is no way you can achieve unity. And I can tell you, it will be difficult for us to win local municipalities on the 4th of November. Because by the time we arrive to the local government elections, you will be hating each other. You will not be speaking to each other. And one thing I must say, comrades, is that contradictions in the revolution are inevitable and they are necessary. But contradictions must never be antagonistic. For me to be able to reach that corner, my legs must contradict each other. For me to be able to reach that corner. And those are progressive contradictions. Contradictions start to be not progressive when they are antagonistic and when they decline and degenerate to enmity. When you start insulting each other on Facebook and WhatsApp, those are not progressive contradictions. Progressive contradictions are contradictions which are centered around the ideological contestations which are informed by how we can move the organization forward, which are informed by which ideologies we think are better for the future of the MK Party. Not contradictions which are informed by who must lead, when, and how. Those contradictions are not necessary for us as the MK Party. Comrades, as I close, I must say that we are confident that on the 5th of November, we are going to receive good news from Limpopo. You look like a province that is ready for securing the victory on the 4th of November. You must never allow foreign tendencies to ruin the good work that we have already started doing. If anything, You must always look forward and never look backward. Thank you very much.
Cela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Kodwa nje mina ngesingami ngizwe ubuhlakani nokukhula ngokwezepolitiki kuNomvalo kule nkulumo le yonke ayishilo. Ikakhulukazi kubantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party abakholelwayo kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ibalekile le message kodwa kwabangakholelwa kuwo nabaze ngeinhloso ezithize le message ifike kabi ngoba iphambana nenhloso zabo. So sithi nxese kubo ngoba bona bazibuke bona. Ngiyasiqonda futhi nesimo ngoba eSouth Africa sihleli sibaningi asisebenza. Ngakho ke uma ngase kwenze ungena esikhundleni khona ozokuthola. Ingakho ke sibabona nabantu ukuthi bayalwa balula lezi khundla. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Bengithi nje ngik-update ngokwenzeka lapha ya eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe party emveni kokulalela inkulumo kaNomvalo. Kodwa ukusubscribe, comment, ushare, ulike. Supporta ngokuba imember le channel. Kuno join la. Click ujoin bese uthola imininingwane ubheka ukuthi ongakanani ongakwazi ukusupporta ngakho. Futhi ungasupporta ukusdonate noma ngamalini khona account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Kodwa konke lokho awuphoqiwe. Ukwenza ngoba uthanda. Futhi uma ungathanda awunacala. Awunacala nelincu. Okubalekile kimi ukuthi ubuke wena le video, wa like, wa comment. Ukukhomenta kwakho kwenza ukuthi YouTube ibone ukuthi abantu bayayithakasela le video bese idlulisela kwabanye abantu. Kubalekile nokulike. Ulike nje. Yazi kubhlungu kanjani ubona ivideo ina 5000 views kodwa ina 200 likes. Hayi kubhlungu. Ukunje mawubuka ivideo noma kuthiwa uyithanda into esikhuluma ngayo. Like noma kuthiwa uvumelane nami. Faka ulike wena bese uyadlula.